Lie. He's down.
Hey guys and girls, Fox Green here, and today you're joining me on the first of a two-part episode playing at the National Airsoft Festival. This is a huge festival with lots to offer everybody. Here I'm seeing setting my sights on the very first day. This range setup was absolutely amazing. After we did this, we got our briefing and we're walking through the safe zone. Wait a minute, is that a swimming pool I see with flamingos floating in it? So yeah, basically, it's got a lot to offer everybody. With nearly 2,500 players, you can see that it's absolutely a massive event. So finally, let's get into the gameplay. I was on Team Bravo, and as you can see, there were so many people starting in this game. Just a few seconds into the game, Bravo are leading a charge straight into Delta's base. Me and my good friend, who must remain anonymous, decide to lead a charge around to the right hand side.
Okay, let's flank, Brian. Keith, flanking right.
Although it doesn't look it, this was a very hot day, somewhere in the region of 28 degrees.
Have you got eyes on?
This made the gaming very tough and the firefights
Okay,
even
could be
more
coming that way.
intense.
I need to get closer that way. We need to get the right hand flank a bit more. You stay there, tell Keith when he's coming.
Yeah, you get eyes on through that.
I get in this nice concealed position where I can overwatch the enemies as they flank us both on the left and right hand sides.
One down.
You have a field in there, Peter?
Yeah. I got one.
The flanking right.
Pushing this way, Matthew. Lads, they're flanking on the left. Left hand side, they're nearly perpendicular with us on the road.
Even though there's lots of enemies, it's still hard to make a good clean shot through all these bushes and shrubs. I was told by some people on our team that we're taking enemy sniper fire in this location, so I slowly move into position to try and locate him. And sure enough...
Sniper down!
I start to come under fire, so I quickly get out of this location.
Coming, falling back to you, make way. Incoming.
Sit down now.
It's nasty enough, I got 2 or 3 guys down there, so they're quite far, like, you know, they're about 80 meters. Yeah, I got a guy moving. Gone. Enemy down. He's down.
After a while in this concealed location, I get bored and want to bring the fight to the enemy. So I decide to move straight to the front lines. My friend Matthew, who knows these woods, joins me. His knowledge is key in helping us fight the enemies.
Keep going way around to really flank them, alright? Yeah. Is it contact straight ahead, guys?
Well, see that two guys down by that mound right there?
Yeah.
He's got one on his 12.
Okay. Is he close to his 12 there? Okay. Sniper, yeah?
Looks like I've been assigned another hitman mission.
Oh, I see him. Straight ahead. I can see him through the...
No, I wouldn't risk it then. You took that second, didn't we?
He's down.
Hey, Stefan's down.
Oh well, not the guy I was aiming for, but good enough. It gives me just enough time to run to the berm ahead of me while the other enemy player is confused. I know from earlier looking through my scope there's other enemies dug in behind this berm in the thick bushes. This is a perfect job for a Mark 23 with 0.48 gram heavy BBs to punch right through those bushes.
One down. Another one down.
The Mark 23 does its job and clears the enemies to my front. However, I make the mistake of not checking my flanks and I get shot.
Hit! Dead man!
After respawning and some time hiking through the woods, we come up against a second enemy front. At this point I'm with my friend Bradley, who also knows the terrain very well. Being extremely observant is very useful as an airsoft sniper. Here you can see I found a tripwire and a sniper. However, I see orange, so he's definitely on my team.
Did you hear that gunfire? Is that enemy? I think so, yeah. He's very close. He's close from you. Huh? Okay, I'll leave that there, right? I can see him, but I don't know if he's friendly or not. Look at the back of his head. There's another one just here. I think they might be friendly.
Despite me having reservations about the players in front of me being teammates, this guy decides to open up on them.
I can't see their armband.
Seeing as he's gone loud, I sense an incoming volley of shots, so I decide to push back and get out of here.
Friendly, yeah? Yeah, friendly. Alright. Hit Bravo!
My reservations were right. He shot one of our teammates and subsequently got hit also by the other guy that I spotted. With just a little bit of patience, he could have avoided this. Nevertheless, I continue my fight towards the enemies.
Okay, motoring on you, mate.
This way, kind of your 11 o'clock, you'll just see their heads coming up and down. Hold on. I got him.
We continue to push deeper into the woods until we find our teammates trying to take a prison camp and decide to give them some support.
Yeah, there should be friendlies over here and there's a couple. Sorry. Keep the cover fire down! We have team 3.
Get on top, Bradley, we'll wait here for you.
That's it, guys. Don't get spread out. Fly over the
Gotta take them out. I'm taking them out from the window. Sorry. Have you eyes on, guys? How far?
one just that way.
Just down there.
See him moving next to the tree there. You see him? See him moving down there? He's lying down.
Yes, I see him.
He's down. Guys!
Go for him if you can see him, guys.
Second.
He should be down.
No, yeah, okay.
Yeah, he's down. Good kill.
As you can see, Bravo have the prison camp buildings tied down, but the enemies are pushing hard through the bushes. So I try to get out in front of the buildings into the bushes.
Has anyone tried to move up into this next?
No, but I was planning on hoping. I was gonna hope on doing it. Do you want to try?
Yeah, because there's a belly covered there.
If we move nice and slow and steady, right?
Negative. This is a high fire line here.
But we just don't want to be spotted.
Hey, Rossi.
Yeah.
Just through there.
Yeah.
Right, make a move.
Okay, go for it. Small movements.
Move your tags to your shoulders.
I only push up a further 20 meters, but I think this is far enough, and this looks like the position to hold them from.
Make it happen.
Hold on, leave me in there.
I slide into position for what will become a really good hunting ground for the next half an hour. I was changing my GoPro battery and an enemy wave just came at us.
Second mag ready. Oh my fucking god.
Oh my.
We are the heroes of the night, gentlemen.
I got everyone on this.
Holy fuck.
Woo!
Bro. Fucking incredible.
It's not over yet, buddy.
It's the calm before the storm, boys. 2 more targets, my front.
Reloading mag. Man, I got like 8 or 9 kills.
It's time to switch back to the sniper rifle.
Oh, negative.
Should be down.
Again, I'm faced with difficult shooting through thick undergrowth.
Enemy down.
Unfortunately, I don't realise my GoPro is facing so downwards.
Target down. They're coming in close.
Okay.
He's down.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
More enemies rush and I take them out with my Mark 23. However, my GoPro doesn't capture this.
He's down. This is definitely a lot of fun. How you doing for mags?
Absolutely fine. I've been loading myself up.
Now's the time to get some more into it while it's quiet. I think they're getting ready for another one, you know that?
Huh?
They're getting ready for another push. They're definitely gathering here.
Yeah, they're gathering. Keep it up, bravo!
Just
Negative. I'm out towards next side.
To see this video continued, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications button. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.